Good morning, traders. Happy Monday. Quiet and open. Look at the pain market is in. Market is dancing at key Fibonacci support and key Fibonacci resistance since the open. We discussed this with students pre-market. This is what separates correction from spectacular reversal. This support right now holding the key. This resistance identified in advance before trading room open, as we discussed with students. This is not the place to buy. Fibonacci Reversal Zone is present. You do not enter into it. Chances of market reversal 80+%. How did we know that price will do this? Simple. Fibonacci said so. We've been waiting and monitoring for this selling pressure since the open. We knew extremely well that this is not the place to buy. This is your day trading chart. This is proprietary Fibonacci levels. You can use on any chart you will choose to trade. Do you want to trade 3-minute chart? Why not? Exact same formula. Not the place to buy. This is what price been doing for the last few hours, well before the open. You want to trade 5, 6, 7, 11, 15-minute chart. Why not? Not the place to buy. This is exact same structure that's in play currently on long-term institutional and investment chart. Take a look. Do you remember where selling pressure had started? Have you been reading my blog and newsletter when I said expect sell-off? Why is that? It's a reversal zone. What is the difference? This is long-term position and investment chart, and this is exact same action in front of you this morning on day trading chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60-minute chart. Exact same formula. Look at that. And that's what happens every time. If you know where Fibonacci levels are, you would never, ever, ever enter into war zone for 7 hours. Very powerful reminder. Only if you play by the rules, you can succeed. And that's exact same formula that's in a play right now on multiple instruments. This is what's happening on Facebook currently. Fibonacci Reversal Zone identified months in advance in a play. Scandal on Facebook played out after Fibonacci levels been identified. Exact same thing you're witnessing in front of you right now on every single day trading chart on S&P. Exact same thing playing out on Wynn daily. Fibonacci Reversal Zone identified well before scandal on Wynn, where sell-off had started. Where sell-off had started when we were in a boot camp. Absolutely no plans for another boot camp. Class is ongoing. Identical formula as you're seeing in front of you right now on S&P. Will we see exact same sell-off as you're witnessing on Facebook, as you're witnessing on Wynn? Certainly hope so. What do we need for S&P to do? Get out of this corrective area, which it's doing in front of you right now. And that's exactly the reason you did not see any longs. Fibonacci resistance is present, not the place to buy. And this is exact same thing as you witnessed in front of you during correction of 2015-2016. Do you remember this chart? Do you remember famous 1800 number on monthly? Was holding the key to this correction. That's exactly where buyers stepped in from on weekly. Trend inception, reversal zone. Remember this chart? Trend inception. Remember this level? Fibonacci resistance is present. So this is what price does each and every time, no matter what instrument you trade. Each and every time, identical formula. Here's a couple of my favorite examples. Do you remember Euro in 2013, 2014, 3,900? Again, this is where S&P is now, in front of you, on day trading chart. And this is where S&P is now, on your long-term investment chart. No surprise whatsoever. Market selling off. We discussed this, we identified this months and years in advance on long-term charts. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you once you learn the method. Are you a day trader and you want to trade this chart? Why not? You want instant gratification and being in and out of the market? This is a key chart. Market selling off traders. As expected, as it came to reversal zone. What is holding the key right now and what we're monitoring at this particular moment? This support. Please pay attention. Exact same place where buyers came from on weekly. Twin image in front of you. Will buyers step in on your day trading chart exactly as they done in bullish correction on weekly? Key moment on S&P. Key support in front of you right now. Anyone surprised? This is what price is doing. On this parameter chart, right now price is testing you for knowledge of price action. As expected. Fibonacci support in a play. Just like it is on weekly. No matter what chart you trade, no matter if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11-minute chart, it's all the same. Bullish weakness in a play in front of you. Key moment on S&P. Knowledgeable trader knows extremely well and monitors for bullish response. We've gotten away from resistance, where I continue warning you since market open, not the place to buy. Right now we are at support. Much better place, much more interesting. The only thing has to happen, rules must be met. No trader on the planet who is interested in constant and consistent long-term success would ever pull a trigger randomly. Look at that. Level present in front of you since the open in a play. Can be in a play for hours and days to come. Can be in a play for only few more minutes. We knew that this support will be in a play. We're monitoring market very, very carefully. Always let's talk. Identical dance remains. As on weekly, as on hourly chart. Fibonacci support respected. And that's what price is doing on 1. The most important Fibonacci number that's ever present in your trading. Key moment on S&P. This is the level. This is number 1 rule you learn in the class day 1. You respect this rule, the sky's the limit. This is the level that's holding the key to this bullish correction on this chart. And that's what happens every time. Only if you play by the rules, the sky's the limit. The most important rule you learn in the course, day 1 in a play. 1 holding the key. You know how to use 1-minute chart? The sky's the limit. It's shown us very, very clearly weak bullish action. Quite a pickle we're dealing with this morning. As we discussed, quicker the price collapses to this level, more interesting market will become. Price been respecting this support forever. Testing your knowledge of price action once again. Look at that, as expected. So, crash and burn S&P, everyone will be so much better off. This was not the place to buy, and this is a problem that's holding S&P for the last 20 minutes. Buyers continue defending this level, traders. This is where a knowledgeable trader monitoring for key point of entry and never ever ever shorting near. This is what we're dealing with this morning. Ultimate dance at reversal zone. Key support and key resistance in a play. For an hour, Fibonacci dancing, S&P dancing at Fibonacci support. Everyone seeing the importance of playing by the rules? Only if rules are met, you can take a trade. This Fibonacci support remains respected. It's been almost an hour. Exact same thing on weekly for the last 2 months. Fibonacci support respected. Except this is your investment decisions, this is your day trading decisions. Choice is yours, what do you want to trade. Buyers are weak. However, for an hour, support remains respected, no matter what chart you trade. This is exact same place where decision point 1 and euro skyrocketed from, where S&P is now. So here we go, traders, key moment on S&P. This is the end of the minor trend, so extremely close. Remember what we're dealing with? We're dealing with ultimate Fibonacci support where we expected bullish push to come from the end of the minor trend. Why in the world do I keep saying that VIX will go through the roof? This is where bullish rally on VIX had started from. Bullish rally on VIX will go through the roof, just like this trade on S&P. All it has to do is break through this level. Knowledgeable trader knows extremely well. Adjusting the trail carefully is a key. Trail in a place. This is firmly counter-trend move. We stayed out through massive fluff. We stayed out through massive corrections. We know extremely well that 2618 is crucial target on this trade. Next. After this, knowledgeable trader moving his stop outside of break-even. This is exact same level you saw on S&P monthly, which is key Fibonacci support, where buyers came from. Do you remember that? This is exactly what's in a play on S&P. Right now in front of you, 2618. Let me remind you. It was famous support on monthly, famous 1800 number. Every single thing I teach and show to you every single day applies to every single instrument, every single platform, every single time frame. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. My fascination with Fibonacci became more than full-time work. This is your shortcut to success. All you have to do, play by the rules you learn in the course. How did I know that price will make it to this target? Simple. Fibonacci said so. This morning you witnessed ultimate reversal dance. Right now you will witness ultimate reminder of the importance of Fibonacci target you learn in the course. What does price do from this target? 80% of the time collapses completely to the tick. Did you manage to pull few points out of this market? Did you move your stop outside of break-even? Because you are a trader who is motivated by long-term success, not instant gratification. How many points per day do you need? Quality, not quantity, is the key to your success. Decision point 2 is the problem. Decision point 2, always your key target. Protecting yourself, protecting your profits on any instrument, any time frame is a key. Exact same Fibonacci support, respect it on Euro, respect it on S&P. Time and time again, every single thing you learn in the course applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. Quite the market we dealt with this morning. Quite a powerful reminder. Only if you play by the rules, you can succeed. Nothing will test you to the core of instant gratification, patience, knowledge and discipline like day trading ever will. Every single tick matters, just like target I said will. I've been doing this long enough. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. If you choose to disrespect this as your target, success is not possible. No matter what instrument you trade, no matter if it's Facebook, no matter if it's Wynn, no matter if it's Euro, no matter if it's S&P, no matter if it's ETFs, stocks, options, or Forex, it's exact same formula on all. Choice is yours what you will decide to trade. How did I know? This is key target. Fibonacci said so. Just like it said on monthly. Exact same formula in front of you every day. All you have to do, play by the rules you learn in the course. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Time and time again. S&P crashing and burning from key Fibonacci target, which you witnessed in front of you, to the tick this morning. This is what I will be teaching in Fibonacci Mastery course next. So if you witnessed the accuracy of the method in live markets this morning and you would like to join us, please review all the information on the website and never hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. The end of the minor trend to the downside is respected. Look at that. Every time, exact same formula. No matter what you trade. Do you remember exact same thing that played out on Apple? Do you remember Apple at horrific earnings, at key Fibonacci support when Apple was at 91? This is where Apple's struggling right now. And that's what you witnessed in front of you on S&P this morning. Time and time again. Every single thing you learn in the course applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. Price action the same everywhere. The only difference, risk management and trader psychology. Do you want to hold position 5 minutes, 5 hours, 5 days, 5 weeks? Do you want to trade ETFs, stocks or options? Choice is yours. As we knew, this will be key problem area to the tick once again. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, so much for your time. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Alphys, we're off to class. Class starts at 12 AST. Thank you.